Hey everyone, it's Cheska. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a myViewboard account so you can sign in and use your Whiteboard app on your ViewSonic monitor. So let's go ahead and open up a Chrome browser, and in your Omnibar or Omnibox, go ahead and type in myviewboard.com. Once that's loaded, this is the page that you should see. And then let's head up here where it says sign in and click on that. Okay. So you can type in your email account, but we have an easier way. Let's use a Google single sign-on. So we'll look for the G icon. Let's go ahead and press that. And then just make sure that you're using your narek.org account. And it's as easy as that. Just make sure up here that your avatar is the correct one and that it is assigned to your narek.org. And just make sure that you remember that your viewboard name is your narek email address, because that will come in very handy when you use the companion app and it asks for a host name. Your host name is going to be your email address. Okay. All right. So that is how we create a myViewboard account. Now, let's go ahead and minimize this window and let's sign in. Hopefully we can sign in. Let me just close this out so you can see where I got this whiteboard from. So on your desktop, you should see this yellow cloud icon with a white pencil inside it, or pen. Go ahead and double click on that app to launch the whiteboard. Okay. And then you should see this prompt box on the lower right to prompting you to sign in. Again, you could type in your narek.org email address and your password, but let's use the easy way and use the Google single sign-on. Okay. So right now it's actually prompting me because I have a different account set up. I'm not going to do that, but hopefully you see your narek.org account and you should be able to sign in. All right, so that is it. I'll see you in the next video to show you some of the tools down here in the main menu and also in your floating toolbar.